January 11th. A broad cold front has swept across most of the eastern and southern U.S., leaving a cooler, drier air mass with gusty northwest winds and VFR to improving conditions for much of the CONUS today. Pilots operating near hubs from the northeast through the southeast and into the Gulf should be attentive to lingering MVFR ceilings early and sustained elevated winds behind the front as the dominant drivers of today's operational impacts. Over the Northeast and Great Lakes region, a deep mid-level trough pivoting eastward has supported light snow showers and flurries across Illinois into Michigan and Wisconsin early this morning, with local MVFR to brief IFR reductions and strong westerly gusts tapering into the afternoon. Lake-enhanced snow near the southeast shores of Lake Michigan will produce localized brief visibility issues around ORD/MDW airspace before winds diminish later today. Across the Ohio Valley into the mid-Atlantic, scattered light snow and flurries from residual cyclonic flow will gradually diminish with cold advection and surface high pressure building in, though blustery winds and gusts into the 25 to 35 knot range will moderate only slowly and may affect ground ops at PIT, CLE, and BWI this morning. In the southeast and Gulf Coast, the frontal passage early has brought a transition from prefrontal showers to cool, dry air with northerly gusts of 20 to 30 knots and elevated wind shear. MVFR to VFR ceilings are expected at JAX, MIA, and TBW with improved visibility, but sustained surface gusts and breezy conditions that can affect approach winds and short-haul routing. Small craft advisories and offshore gusts near gale force remain possible over Gulf waters, affecting coastal departures and arrivals around MOB and New Orleans, with gusty offshore flow persisting into early Monday. Across the plains and central U.S., weak upper ridging holds dry conditions with mostly VFR ceilings and light precipitation chances. Surface winds aloft are moderate but not extreme, leaving flight levels relatively smooth east of Denver and DFW, though efficient crosswinds at the surface will be evident for departure and arrival flows. The Intermountain west into the Rockies continues dry under a Pacific ridge with high pressure-induced subsidence, warm temperatures aloft, and minimal cloud cover, resulting in stable conditions but strong mountain wave potential and lee-side turbulence for jets departing SLC and DN. The Northwest and coastal Pacific Northwest are under a stronger ridge with minimal precipitation and high clouds, promoting VFR but tightening gradients that contribute to breezy downslope winds near C and PDX. Overall, today's hazards center on wind impacts and brief snow flurry-induced MVFR around the Great Lakes into the Northeast, with steadily improving conditions elsewhere. Significant convection or severe thunderstorms are not expected through this evening, as the cold, stable air mass dominates much of the CONUS post-front.